Hey, Skilllight here, and I just got these in. The EKSA Telecom H1 Plus Bluetooth wireless trucker headset. I am really looking forward to testing these. Oh, and I'll be doing a giveaway of a set of these. Is it a set? It's only one ear. Does that count as a set? I don't know. But I'll be giving away a pair, thanks to EKSA. And details are coming in the review video of these. But this is an unboxing, so let's get to it. So very quickly, it's a good, nice box. AI-powered environmental noise cancellation. It's on the microphone, so it doesn't hear all the background noise. Very important. 30-meter, 99-foot ultra-long wireless connection, Bluetooth. 30 hours talk time. That's big for me. Extra large ear cushions and a PC adapter. I will show you that. Comes with a nice plush carrying case, an extra earpiece, when it comes on it is more of a leatherette, and this is a little more breathable. I guess if you're in a sweaty environment, maybe you'd want that. This does pivot, goes either direction, mute, volume control. They do charge with a USB, I believe it's a C. And as I said, it is a one earpiece so that you can hear with the other ear. So if you're working where you need to be able to hear things going on around you as well as what you want to hear, these work great. USB charging cable and a USB dongle. So if you have a PC, say a desktop or something that doesn't have Bluetooth, you can plug that in a USB port and that'll give you the Bluetooth. And the user's manual and your warnings, cautions. So there you go. There's the specs on it. So give me a few days to test these things. I'll get that review video out and tell you how you can win a set just like this. And thanks for watching.